how to buy BNB agents token. So this token came under the symbol of BNBAI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token as from here. As you can see, this token as this is under the Binance Smart Chain network. Now, open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Click on your wallet. Now, select the BNB chain as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and paste the token on this. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added that's called the BNBAI. So after you find it, click on it and here click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BNBAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.